Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today we will discuss how we can insert word art in Microsoft Word. Friends, sometimes we use word art to bold any word, any letters, or we want to make some tricky we want to make some word as a prominent, then we will use word art. Now we will go to topic and I will tell you how we can use word art. For this, go to start menu, open Microsoft Word. When Office was opened, then go to insert menu, and here you will see word art. First of all, select any word, or if you do not want to select, then we have to type any word. I will select the word and go to word art. Friends, here are different types of word art available. We can choose any one of them, like this. As you will see, this is the word art, and here are different types of things we can do, like text fill. Like you can fill text with these type of colors. Okay, you can choose any colors and fill the text. Secondly, text outline. You can also select the outline color at your own, or if you want to change the color of outline, you can do. And third one is text effect. Here are different types of text effect you can choose. Okay, reflection and then glow. Okay, you can choose these text effect. Here are different types of more. Here are 3D rotation. You can use any rotation like this, and you can also use transform or follow path like this. Okay, so friends, you can use these shape format, and these are the shape format color, and you can also use the fill color. Okay, and you can also use different types of pattern from here, or different type of style from here. Okay, and you can also change the font style and font size. Friends, this is all about the word art. You can use word art and you can modify the text, its shapes, or its outline, its color, and different types of things as I share with you. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. Thanks. Bye.